It's a vibe, it's a vibe. That's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe. Am I your type? Type, maybe I'll spend the night.
This video is sponsored by RosaBeauty. They reached out and asked me to review this wig for them. All details on this hair will be in the description box down below. The first thing I'm going to do is bleach the knots on the lace of the wig to give it a more natural look. Now I have plenty of videos on how to customize a frontal. If you haven't seen those already, I'll be sure to link them in the description box down below, as well as at the end of this video. The wig that they sent is a 22-inch body wave with 250% density, which I absolutely love because it's a really full but affordable unit. Now, the look that I'm going for in today's video is a blue-black color. However, since we know that bleach breaks down the hair shaft and can be very damaging, I didn't want to ruin the integrity of this wig by bleaching the whole hair. So I'm just going to apply the bleach to the top section of this unit. Next, I'm going to just section off the hair in the back to get this out of the way. Now I'm going to just comb the hair out so that I can apply the bleach in sections. So I'm going to use my BW2 bleach with the 40 developer. And when applying the bleach, you don't want to apply it straight across at the top of the hair because you want the color to have sort of like a gradient effect. And I like to comb the bleach through the hair to make sure that I'm hitting all the hair underneath as well. And I think it's helpful to seal the hair with foil as it helps the bleach to lighten the hair quicker. And you just want to repeat this process for the remainder of the hair on top. And here I'm just ensuring that I'm getting the bleach on all of the hair that I sectioned off. So I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 45 minutes, and this is the color I got. I think it's a pretty good brightness. I didn't want it too bright because that will affect how deep the blue appears on the hair. Next, I'm going to apply this semi-permanent blue-black hair color by Kiss to the back of the unit. And you want to be sure that you saturate the hair pretty good with the color. And I just let it sit on this hair for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Initially, I applied the Arctic Fox hair color in the color Poseidon, and this was a complete waste of my money and time because the blue would not penetrate the hair no matter what I did. I really tried to saturate the strands with the color, and as you can see, the blonde underneath was very resistant to this rinse. I even let it sit in the hair overnight, but once I rinsed it out, it did not give me the color that I was looking for. So then I decided to try the Adore hair color in indigo blue, and I just applied it on top of this section of the hair that I previously dyed with the Arctic Fox, and the hair took this color almost immediately. At this point I was feeling kind of lazy, and I just applied the color while the unit was on the counter. However, I would recommend doing this on the mannequin head so that you have better control, as I did get some of the color on the lace underneath. And I just let that sit in the hair for about an hour, then I proceeded to rinse it out. Really quick, let me go over the wig construction with you. There are 3 combs, one in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the middle. And I'm going to try to put this on. Although I haven't worn this hair yet, I can tell you that this is really good hair. Just based on the cap construction, and after all I've put the hair through so far, from bleaching it to dyeing it, it's still behaving really well. So I could already kind of tell this is going to be really good hair. Oh wait, I have blue hair. let me go get my colored contacts. Be right back. Now that's more like it. So this is the final look. As you can see, it's still giving you full coverage throughout the hair without actually bleaching and dyeing the entire hair. It's like real subtle. I personally think it's work safe. I think it gives you just that right hint of blue, because I wanted it to be blue, but not, sometimes you do blue black to the point where you could barely see the blue, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted you to be able to see the blue. I just didn't want it to be overpowering, and I didn't want it to be just too obnoxious in your face. And this is exactly the color that I was going for. So as you can see, it's still giving you that blue black feel, and you can definitely see the blue in this hair, but it's not too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So dolls, I thought I'd just show you a quick and easy way on how I installed this unit. I just went ahead and cut off the ear tabs on both sides so that it can fit flush with my head. And next, I like to cut off the lace while wearing the unit. As you see, I did have to go back and cut some additional pieces, but it just kind of gives me a better idea on how to cut the lace so that it aligns with my hairline. Now I'm just spraying some of that Got To Be Glue Free Spray to the edge of the hairline. This is why you should do your makeup afterwards. And I let it blow dry for about a minute just so it's halfway dry. And then I just proceed to apply the unit on top. It's very simple application, very beginner friendly. It's almost foolproof. And now you'll want to completely dry the spray underneath. And I'm just going back and cutting those loose pieces of lace that I left behind. I did tint this lace off camera. That's why it blends seamlessly with my skin. If you haven't seen my video on how to tint the lace for brown girls, I'll be sure to link that in the description box down below. I'm going to tie this down for just 5 minutes and I'll be right back. I love it. This is exactly the look I was going for. I'm just gonna add some clips to the side. I don't even think I'm gonna do any baby hairs. I don't think I need to do any baby hairs. This is laying really good. My just leave it like that. And we add 2 more. I don't know, this might be a little too much. Let's see. Bobby pins are optional. So dolls, this is the final look. Do you guys like it? What do you think? Do you think it's work safe? I guess it depends where you work, right? I personally think it is work safe. It looks very blue on camera, and actually in real life it's blue too, but it's like a deep blue, like a deep blue black. It's like the perfect blue black. This is exactly the color I was going for. So guys, let me know, would you rock this look? Would you rock this color? Would you wear it to work? Inquiring minds want to know. Find out next on Dragon Ball Z. Hey guys, be sure to leave the comments in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like this look or not. And dolls, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, dolls, you guys stay blessed and take care.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Oh, that's a vibe. Yeah, yeah. That's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. Am I your type?